everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in this short video we're going to be giving more sticker swap shoutouts and adding stickers to the sticker swap sticker wall. The very first shout out I'd like to do in this video is for the custom flag man. This is a sticker, but he is responsible for the awesome banner that's behind me. I'll take that down in a few minutes to add the stickers, but I wanted to show it to you guys. That's the sticker that I send out, much smaller. This is a 4-foot by 4-foot banner. It's got the grommets where I can hang it up and display it in places. This is the card he sends with his stuff. He is making several banners and flags for all the amazing makers and content creators that I follow. He is a huge asset to this community, and I thank him for that. On the back side of his card is some of his prices, and if you want to, you can pause that and get that information. Really awesome. Thank you, Custom Flag Man. Now on to the stickers. Here we have MP303 knives, Ink Goes Wild Alaska, Empire State Woodworking, Victor George Leather Goods out of Arizona, Beach Bum Pirate, it's a pirate's life, Flat Irons Timber, Lady Rebel, Hello Programs, and this awesome sticker has some Lucha Libre masks, so it reminds me when I used to watch wrestling a lot. Aloha Pallet Furniture, Maker Faire, and this sticker came all the way from the California Maker Faire. A friend of mine at the Makerspace brought it back to me. Really awesome. And Party Planks Custom Cornhole Boards. That is all the sticker swap shoutouts I have this time. Now, as always, let's get the stickers up on the sticker swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the sticker swap sticker wall. It's really getting full. As you can see, I've only got a little bit more room to fill up, and I'm gonna love when it's finally full so I can take some pictures of it. And then the plan is to take the banner down and hang it somewhere in the shop, and then fill up the space behind where the banner is, and then have just a full sticker swap sticker wall. But I really love how it's coming along. As always, I will leave links to everyone's Instagram page down in the description box below so that you guys can follow them and interact with them, and also ask to sticker swap with them. If you would like to sticker swap with me, just shoot me a message on social media and I'll get you an Artisan Pirate sticker out to you. That is about all for this videos. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.